So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you a quick hack to fix the camera flickering issue of your iPhone. Now that happens if you have some inside a room with a lot of lights, LED lights, and they have some frequency that doesn't match with your iPhone's recording frequency. Now in order to fix that, one easy thing that you can do is, for example, when you open a camera and start recording something or taking photo, just simply tap on the screen and increase the brightness ratio. Now what happens if you decrease it too much, or it by defaultly decrease itself too much to get the light clears, but it will then get against the light ratio. So one that thing you can do to in order to make sure that it does not flickers. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.